I'm Laura Kerwada. I'm the mum of Jamie Humphreys. Jamie struggled from a young age, really. I'd say we noticed changes from Jamie from about the age of 3. He had quite a high pain tolerance. He was energetic. Jamie was diagnosed at the age of 4 with ADHD. As the years went on, he was in and out of school, primary school. He finally got settled in primary school when he was, I think it was about year 3, year 4, so I want to say about 7 or 8, because no school would accept him, basically. He was okay in primary school, I want to say, but again, he had his problems. School did help him really well, primary school. It was only when Jamie come out of year 6, going into year 7, which is when COVID hit, that's where the problems then escalated. He couldn't settle in secondary school. He missed year 7, obviously, because COVID had come in. He then obviously got back in year 8, and in about, I want to say about 12 months, he'd had about 20 to 30 suspensions. We finally got an EHCP in place from between year 8 and year 9. That was in his first setting in secondary school, but no one literally wanted to help him. He struggled in and out. He then went from his first setting to his second secondary setting, and again, no one wanted. He was in and out, reduced timetable. He was just lashing out. He then went back onto the pathway for an autism spectrum diagnosis. It was in 2022 he was diagnosed with ASD. Jamie was then moved from a setting to another setting, a special needs setting. They tried everything they possibly could to help Jamie during that process, but they couldn't do it. So it was in Jamie's best interest to work from home with him, to elective home education, but still on roll at school. So they come out regularly to check him. Obviously, they put him in touch then with the careers advisor. She advised on 2 settings. We went to see the 2 settings. We met with Sarah and Jenny from here. And it was then up to us then to say which setting. As soon as we come in here, Jamie was like, I want to come here, Mum. Now, obviously my nerves were gone because I thought, he's not going to do it. You know, you'd have your doubts. He come in and they reduced his timetable at first, and he come in bit by bit. And from September to now, I've got my son back. And he's like a totally different kid now. I've got my child back from when he was in primary school. It's different. I can't explain the feeling. They make everything to meet it. Even though each kid's got different needs, they make it for each kid. Do you know what I mean? He's more relaxed. He's himself now. He started. There's no self-harm. There's nothing. He hasn't had a mental health appointment for over 6 months, Jamie. There's no thoughts of suicide. His mental health's gone from down there to up there. I've noticed that he prints all his work out and comes home, it's all over his room, and he's dead proud of himself. Like, he comes out every day and he's like, Mum, I've done this today, Mum, I've done that today. And that's what he used to be like, do you know what I mean? He doesn't doubt himself anymore, he knows. And I always said to him, don't doubt yourself, you will be able to do it. I won't, I'm too far behind now. And now he does believe in himself. And I come in the other day and he was showing me his work on the wall, and that's what I wanted. I've always wanted that, do you know what I mean? Jamie's got good goals and aspirations. He wants to be a pilot. He's always wanted to be a pilot. And he said, I'm definitely going to be a pilot now, Mum. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. And I said to him, you will be a pilot. And he's like, well, but I've got ADHD, I can't be a pilot. I said, you can be anything you want to be. I said, you've got actors and actresses who've got ADHD and ASD, and they can still do it. They're making money. So he knows now I can be a pilot. I've got a daughter, and she even though they fight like cat and dog, she loves it. Like I said, when we had his EHCP review, and I'd gone home and said to her, you know, Jamie's met his target, and she goes, oh, Mum, I'm made up for him. As much as they hate each other, they love each other. So their relationship's better, do you know what I mean? They play with each other more and they talk to each other more, and then 2 minutes later they do fight, like, but they do. It's our family dynamics are better. Well, from 3 months ago, 6 months ago, I feel 10 times better than what. And I can see 6 months down the line, I'll feel even more better, if you can get it any more better, do you know what I mean? There's no better feeling than Jamie being in a better, all I ever wanted for him to be in a better setting, and for Jamie to go where he wants to be in life. That's, as long as my children are happy, that's also what I've wanted. I love the place, it's brilliant. I can't fault them.